President Trump, he is threatening to send in the military, saying if states don't get control, he will solve the problem for them.
We are ending the riots and lawlessness that has spread throughout our country. We will end it now.
About 16,000 troops already deployed. Many major cities have imposed curfews. The president saying some governors have been too weak. Let's go to Washington, D.C. CTV's Richard Madan is standing by live. Richard, what's the latest where you are? What's happening?
Well, several hundred more demonstrators are here in front of the White House at this hour. Shannon, we're just getting a look what's going on right now. They're chanting Black Lives Matter. They're demanding the end to racial injustice. This has been a familiar scene for over a week now. What has happened overnight, though, Shannon, let's spin around here. They've erected a much larger fence that will prohibit these protesters from getting through Lafayette Park and then to the actual gates of the White House. So a bigger barrier in front of the White House has been set up, as you can see. There's also plenty of damage from the past week of looting and riots and violence, but particularly what has floored even several Republicans is what happened yesterday just as Donald Trump entered into the Rose Garden to deliver his brief statement. Several military police used tear gas and rubber bullets to disperse and push away crowds just like this, peaceful protests, so the president could hold a photo op at that yellow church right over there to hold up a Bible. Shannon, let's spin around here. You can actually now start to see military police patrolling the side of the fence. You can see their blue helmets. People are chanting and shouting at them. And you can see right now what's going on. And we can start to sense a little bit of tension escalating here. But again, need to stress, this has been very peaceful so far. Troubles start to happen when the sun goes down and things get dark. That is why the mayor of this city has imposed yet another curfew at 7 o'clock Eastern time, trying to contain and quell the uprisings. I can tell you last night was surreal. I could hear from my own home last night the sounds of a helicopter low to the ground. It was very loud, and the images that we saw this morning that the helicopter was kicking up debris, getting into protesters' face late into the night. That was something I've never seen before, something so many people in this city who've lived here for decades haven't seen either.
CTV's Richard Madan on the ground in Washington. Thank you for this, Richard.